What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Jippy's Garage. Today I've got a new episode for you, just kind of doing some basic stuff on a Mazda 3. I ended up totaling the daily, the Ford Focus, so I'm using my sister's car at the moment, and so until we fill the garage with something nasty, we're going to be borrowing that for quite some time. So we're just going to do basic filter replacements. We're going to do the cabin filter, and then we're going to do the intake air filter. Pretty simple stuff. So I'm just kind of showing you guys what I'm doing here. So let's check it out. All right. So the first thing we're going to do is there's a little plate under here, under the glove box. This is a 2008 Mazda 3. So there's two tabs. This thing just comes off. I already kind of pulled it, but yeah, it comes down really easy. Those are the two tabs here on the front. So you kind of know where the pressure points are. That comes off. This side comes off. I've already pulled it. There's a little clip right there, as you can see in that little circle. This comes out. So you got two panels off, and right up there is where the filters are. So we're gonna need to take a screw and unscrew that housing real quick. So I was getting a little bit extra on this install. Basically I just need to take the fuse panel out. I already undid all the clips, so if you're doing this, you'll just have to figure that out. It's pretty self-explanatory. You just push the tabs on the side, lift up on the black things, and slide them out. So that's what I did with that. There's the fuse panel right here. Next thing, we just need to knock out these couple of 12 millimeter bolts back here. Knock those two out, pull those out, and that'll give us access right here to the door that has the filters. So down and out. So that's out of the way. Next we're going get these clips right here. So we'll undo those, and we should be good to go. This is the moment of truth. We're gonna see what this filter looks like. So it might be, I don't know if it's ever been changed or not. I should get a zip tie like a smart person. But oh, that's debris. Holy shnikes. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that gunk right there. This might be interesting here. Oh, yeah. I don't think that's been changed. Maybe, probably not. Whew. And I think from right here you can make your own conclusion about how bad they were. So, yep, that's the old there. If you can't tell, and this is the new. So, yeah, this was pretty necessary. All right, last thing to remember is to put the filters in correctly. So it comes with one with a foam piece on the top. That one's the first one to go in. Tab sticking out, slide it up. Next one slides in with the tab sticking out as well, and you go reverse order from there. Screws were first. I did those already.
So we got the 1, 2, top corner way back there. Clips here go next, so plug, screw this back, and then the assembly of the fuse box is going to be pretty simple. One thing to look for is noticing how these clips are all going down and under, so you know all of these are going to attach to the bottom side. See how they attach to this part and then they hang down, so you know all those are the 3 that we did for the bottom. All these are suspended, so those are going on top. So just push them in, clip them back, and they go back together pretty easy. All right, so we're under the hood here for the intake air filter, and first thing you do is you pop the hood of the battery here. This thing just comes off like this, and apparently we're at like 210,000 miles on this vehicle, so this has already been messed with, and this whole section here comes off, and there's a tab there. I don't know where else there might have been a tab because this has already been messed with, but one thing that's kind of weird to me is that the intake is like, it goes into the battery box, which is weird to me. Maybe just, I don't know, maybe batteries need to keep cool or something. I don't see why I would have a problem, but anyways, pull that off, and here's our stock air box. These 2 clips hold the filter housing together. We're just going to clip those back and lift up, and we'll see the old filter. And we're going to grab our new one real quick and put it in. All right, there are 2 more clips here. There's one right here. We're going to flip that bad boy off. One back in here. Flip him off. Now you can really get access to that filter. All right, grabbing the new filter now. This is what just came out. To be honest, this ain't that bad. I was expecting much worse, but looks like my sister's done a decent job of the basic care. So that's what the old one looks like. There's what the new one looks like. Super fresh. So just trying to stay on top of the maintenance game. Looks really good, so we're gonna throw that in real quick. Pretty simple. I don't think there's a directional side or anything, but yeah, face down, you want to face these down. The rubber gasket on the top is where you seal the top of the lid, so we just slide it in like this. Sorry guys, I'm trying to hold this camera while doing this and it's kind of difficult. Let's see if I can... All right, she's in. Make sure the clips are back. Start with the back. Remember, make sure it's down. Clip. Looking good so far. And that's how you do that. I'm gonna clip these since I can't hold the camera. All right, everything's all clipped up. Remember, this piece goes back first. And there's a little spot for these to slide in here. Biscuit Baker. There it is. I'll make sure these slide into this the right way in the box. That way, put this on, it'll fit right. We're good to go. That is a air intake filter right there. So that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Hope you guys liked it. So just kind of basic stuff, just kind of some content to keep things going. So we got some big plans coming up. I am car shopping, so it's gonna be pretty fun. We're looking for something that's kind of a weekend warrior type of vehicle, but something I can daily drive if I need to. So yeah, if you know me, you probably have an idea of what I may be getting. So stay tuned and be looking forward to that. Hit the like and subscribe, and we're going to see you next time. Take it easy.